Hello again. My name's Wayne Shane, and we're just doing another video to show how Judge Davis conducted his courtroom while I was in a divorce proceeding against my ex-wife. First off, I'll show you the court register, case register of action, and I'll show you that in yellow on this side here, there are number 2 and number 3. Now, that is the action or the event, as it's called in the court papers. Now, you'll notice that between 2 and 3 is number 6, and that is service, return of service. Now, my ex-wife told the court supposedly on January 19th of 03 that she had tried to serve me with papers and I refused to sign. Now, the documents here, this is summons and complaint. This shows that it was issued January 2nd of 03 and is good till 4/3 of 03, 91 days later, which is the legal amount of time you have to serve someone. And then you can get a default judgment after that if you haven't managed to get a hold of them and let them know. Now, they say that she tried to serve me, which is against Michigan law, number 1. And this paper here, proof of service, that's this one. I'll show you. She has her address listed as my address, which she knew it wasn't. It was my parents' address in Fenton, Michigan, which she was well aware of. It also was filed March 11th. That's why you have them going back up between event 2 and 3 and putting event 6, because they couldn't change all the stamps. It'd be illegal to do that. And she is marked here on this affidavit that being first duly sworn, I state that I am a legal, competent adult who is not a party to this action. It says that a notary is required, which they didn't have because they didn't have me sign it in front of a notary. They also did this on March 11th, not on the 19th when they said they did, of January. But the point being is they never legally served me ever. And that's just the way Judge Davis conducted his courtroom. He didn't care if they didn't legally serve me. And for all purposes, I thought that we were having an amicable divorce. Now, the other point of all this is that Judge Davis is supposed to be non-biased in this. And as you'll see throughout all this, he's very biased and very, very generous with his award to my ex-wife. And he wouldn't hear of any proof. He wouldn't allow us, did everything he could to keep it out. Now, because they did that, they were allowed not to send me mailings. They could send them to my ex-wife, pretend they were sending them to me. That would be totally legal. And a couple times in the fall, that's in the registry, which I won't bore you with now, but they asked for continuations of the hearing. I don't know if they knew I was coming and decided they shouldn't do it, but then on December 10th of 03, they set it aside again, and here's the document showing that, and it has somebody signing my signature saying that I pre-approved this. All I pre-approved is that they could set it aside, but then they never sent me anything saying that when the hearing was. And that's all in this paperwork here. I'll show you this because between the dates on this page, I should have been notified before the hearing, and I was not. I was never notified of the actual hearing. So that's just part of what Judge Davis did and Attorney Brewmeister, which we'll get into Brewmeister later, but this is all about Judge Davis. Thank you.